three very different vantage points on behavioral shifts. So the first paper is by Dr. Rashid Ali, and he will tell us or talk about the title of his paper is on breaking mental barriers to digitization, overcoming cognitive inertia and adoption challenges in the manufacturing industry. I think this is particularly pertinent, as we heard today, the shift also from Industry 4.0 to Industry 5.0. We're already being challenged, and also during our diagnostic work with the ADB, I was very surprised that there is not more talk about automation of your industries. You've got powerful industries that are not digital. You've got the textiles, you've got tea, you've got agriculture. To what extent is tech leverage, and to what extent, again, is knowledge transferred, from academic and research and development into private sector, into smallholder farmers? How is it being utilized to up productivity and efficiency is a question. And I think Dr. Ali will tell us a little bit more about also resistance to changing let's say, and leveraging automation in the industry space.